Today we're going to make the best natural deodorant you've ever known in your life, I promise you. For this deodorant, we're going to use these ingredients: baking soda, which fights the bacteria that cause body odor, and white kaolin clay, which helps control moisture and excess oil. Cornstarch, which helps keep the skin dry, preventing the proliferation of bacteria. Shea butter deeply hydrates and nourishes skin. Coconut oil fights odor-causing bacteria and forms a barrier to prevent dryness. And tea tree essential oil, which is antibacterial and antifungal. Let's first mix the dry ingredients. 15 grams of baking soda, 10 grams of white kaolin clay. Kaolin clay soothes and softens the skin, reducing irritation, and 15 grams of cornstarch. We mix all the dry ingredients very well. Thank you. I want to tell you something important. If you've always used commercial deodorants and have never used a natural deodorant, keep in mind that if you start using one during the first 2 weeks to a month, you might notice an increase in odor and sweating. Why? Because a detox process will begin, releasing all the toxins and everything that was blocked. Because of what happens with commercial deodorants, all of that will start to come out. And after that time, for some people it might take a little longer, for others a little less. You'll see how this deodorant really works. It's extremely effective. I've been using it for many years. I've already shown how to make it on the channel, and many people have written to me saying it's their go-to deodorant, that it works really well for them. So have confidence and give it a chance, and also be patient during the detox process. I highly recommend it, and I hope that when you make it and try it, you'll come back and leave me a comment. How did it go for you? Let's continue with the recipe. On the other hand, in a heat-safe container, we're going to add 30 grams of shea butter. And 20 grams of coconut oil. Coconut oil is antibacterial, moisturizing, and emollient, forming a protective skin barrier. Done. Here I am heating a small pot with water to melt the shea butter with the coconut oil in a double boiler. I cut the shea butter into smaller pieces so it melts faster. I wait for the water to get hot, and before it starts boiling, I turn off the heat and let it melt gently. Once it's completely melted, I take it out and we're going to add the other ingredients. I gradually add the dry ingredients and mix very well. If you like these kinds of natural cosmetics recipes, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And I also invite you to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Tea tree oil really helps to counteract irritation. We're going to add 15 drops. I would love for you to leave me a comment. If you've already tried my deodorant recipe, what did you think? And if you haven't yet, give it a try, then come back and tell me what you think. To package them, we're going to use 2 very clean glass jars. In this case, these are 30 cubic centimeters each. While they're still hot, we stir very well and then package them. This recipe fills both jars with some left over. This gentle, lovely, exquisite deodorant makes a perfect gift. And this is the result you'll get. A creamy deodorant with an exquisite scent, super soft, that with just a little bit, we can use it on both armpits, see? With just a tiny bit. Imagine this is an armpit. It covers me completely, it's incredible, it's so beautiful. It'll be fully absorbed, leaving no greasiness. I want to show you something now. I left it in the fridge for a while so you can see how it looks on a cold day. It will become solid, a bit firm but still creamy. So what do you do to apply it? You can do this, just scrape it a little and imagine that this is your armpit. It melts with your body temperature and applies easily. See? It blends in completely.